I'm going to show you a really simple passive pendulum swing for your hip flexors. This is a really great beginner stretch, or if you're just looking for something to loosen up while you're in the middle of your workday. You can grab some books, a yoga block, or stairs, whatever you have accessible to you, and you're gonna stand and drop one leg off of whatever you're using, and you can stabilize your core by exhaling just a little bit, and you can bend your stabilizing knee to make it a little bit more comfortable. And what you're doing is just gently gliding your hip through the range of motion. This shouldn't be painful. This is a nice, simple, easy stretch. This is also really great if you're about to go for a run, warms up and activates that hip flexor. I'm going to demonstrate a really great dynamic stretch. So this is called a bridge pose, and what you're going to do is lay down, plant your feet into the ground, and push your hips up to the ceiling. This stretches out your hip flexors while engaging your glutes, and it's a really great stretch. So just locating your heels right underneath your bum, plant your hands, and push up through your hips. You're gonna hold this for about 30 seconds. When we engage our glutes, it's the antagonist, and it helps to loosen up our hip flexors. And then back down. You can do this 3 to 5 times. The last stretch I want to talk about is using a massage ball to get into your iliopsoas, which is also referred to as our hip flexors. What can happen is that you get a referral from a trigger point, and it can mimic a hip flexor pain. So using a massage ball is a really great home care tool to help massage into your hip flexor and into your lower hip flexors, rectus femoris, pectineus, and sartorius are other assistant to the iliopsoas. So what you're going to do is take the massage ball and you're going to drop just to the inside of the hip. If you feel any pulsing, back off of that area, or any big pain. We don't want to be in pain when we're doing this. It should be a nice light massage stretch. You can do it against a wall or on the ground, and you're going to just hold and move back and forth a little bit to feel any, if you feel any like sort of sore points, you can stay on there for a few seconds and then it should release. And then second is you're going to drop just on the outside of the hip crease and work around in there. And then if your hip's bothering you a lot, I really suggest going all the way around the femoral head, even targeting into the glutes. This is going to give you an amazing stretch and really reduce your hip pain.